Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and never miss the future updates on Tech House. If you want a great versatile furniture cover for all of the elements, then watch the full video till end. Our outdoor furniture protection keeps dirt and damp away from things that stand outside all summer long, like barbecues or sun loungers. Outdoor furniture covers are available in a wide range of prices and capabilities. Don't have time to watch the full video? No worries, check out the links in the description for more updates. Subscribe our channel for more new videos and click on the bell icon. These high-quality outdoor covers are designed to keep rain, snow, dust, and more off your chaise lounge, dining table, and chairs, so you don't have to worry about them deteriorating, discoloring, or growing mold. We recommend you to watch the full video till end. We will give you the idea which outdoor furniture covers you should buy. Let's start. At number 1 is Abba Patio Outdoor Rectangular. Double-stitched seams will add strength and show you a stylish accent. Adjustable elastic hem cord around bottom for snug fit against wind. Easy to fold and store with a box which is quite space-saving. Can be wiped up with just water or mild detergent. At number 2 is Classic Ravenna Rectangular Patio Table and Chair Cover. Gardel 1 is a durable woven polyester fabric with an added UV-stabilized coating. Patented Windlock secure attachment system includes an adjustable belted hem with click-close straps that provides a customizable fit, with exceptional security in the windiest conditions. Reinforced padded handles make removal easy while air vents keep weather out, providing maximum ventilation and minimum condensation. At number 3 is Duck Cover Square Patio Table with Chairs Cover. Designed to protect patio furniture from dust, dirt, sun, rain and mild snow. Water-resistant fabric is ideal for low to moderate moisture climates. Reinforced tie-down straps secure patio furniture cover in place. Ultrasonically welded seams prevent water from penetrating the patio furniture cover. At number 4 is Duck Cover's Soteria Rainproof Rectangular. Durable fabric with a water-resistant backing features a sporty webbed accent. Click-close straps in each corner hold the cover securely in place. Gusseted air vents reduce condensation and wind lofting. Tape sealing at critical seams prevents leaking. At number 5 is Dola Patio Table Cover Round Waterproof. Premium quality, 3 layers thick with undercoating as an extra measure to prevent water leakage. Extremely durable and heavy-duty, works even for harsh climates. 2 breathable mesh buckles, 2 tightening straps, 2 handles for easy removal. Also, a reusable bag in beige finish. The cover is made from 100% polyester fabric made with double stitching and fade-resistant, protects against rain, snow. At number 6 is Protective Covers Weatherproof Sofa. Weatherproof vinyl cover for large 3-seat wicker or rattan sofa, Velcro drawstring for firm hold even in wind. 7mm vinyl shell with fleece backing for durability and scratch resistance. Ultraviolet treated to withstand sun exposure, won't crack in cold or come off in wind. At number 7 is Patio Watcher Round. Windproof with 4 strap buckles over legs keep the cover protecting your patio table and chairs on the windiest days. Time-proof heavy-duty woven fabric with high-density stitching for durability and air vents to reduce condensation and rip in winds. Easy-to-use universal design covers outdoor furniture of different styles and brands. At number 8 is Veranda Rectangular Patio Table and Chair Set Cover. Gardel fabric system features an elegant fabric top with a protective water-repellent and resistant laminated backing and a protective dark splash guard skirt. The convenient elastic hem cord with adjustable toggle and buckled straps keep the cover protecting your patio furniture on the windiest days. Large padded handles make removal easy while air vents reduce inside condensation and wind lofting. At number 9 is Khomo Gear Heavy Duty Sofa Patio Cover. Heavy duty, durable material. Water-resistant PVC coating will resist any weather conditions. Click-close leg straps secure cover in place, while its adjustable elastic hem cord with a toggle ensures a tight, custom fit. Air vents allow air circulation for better storage care. Protect patio furniture from dust, dirt, sun, rain and mild snow. At number 10 is Vailge Heavy Duty. Adjustable cord lock closure, elastic hem cord with toggles allows adjustment for a tight custom fit. Water-resistant laminated backing could prevent water from seeping through cover and keeps your outdoor furniture dry and ready to use. Large padded handles make removal of this chair cover easy, while air vents reduce inside condensation and wind lofting. We hope that our list of the best outdoor furniture covers will help you find exactly what you are looking for. We recommend you to buy at number 5 Dola Patio Table Cover Round Waterproof. This is the best deal in the market. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information.